Hey guys, Josh here with Ronin Factory, and today we're going to talk about our short replacement antennas. Whether you have a newer or older vehicle, updating that long factory whip antenna will give you a fresh look, an upgraded feel, and it won't break the bank. Like our popular 50 cal bullet antenna, it features an anodized matte black military grade finish. This finish is scratch resistant and will hold up against automatic car washes, although we recommend using a touchless car wash. This antenna measures in at 4 inches, which is a little bit smaller compared to our other antennas. Our unique anti-theft design is incorporated into these short antennas as well. This thread locking compound will come pre-applied and will start to set right away. This will keep anyone from trying to pick off your new antenna. Installation is simple. Just remove the factory antenna with a wrench. Make sure the threads of the vehicle are clean so you can screw the new antenna in by hand. Note that each antenna is vehicle specific, so follow any instructions that come with. The question we always get is, will this affect my radio reception? It depends on where you live. If you live in a bigger city, more signals, more towers, you're not going to notice a difference. If you live in a more rural area, weaker signals, less towers, you may notice a slight difference in reception. But the good news is XM, Bluetooth, satellite radio, none of that's going to be affected. We also have a hassle-free return policy, so we'll take care of any issues that you have. Thanks guys, we look forward to seeing you and your new accessory out in the streets.